Hi ladies, I learned a new trick with our fiber lashes. One of my wise sisters posted a video last night before bed. Oh, that's nice. And I almost washed my makeup off to try it, but I waited until today. My camera is really crooked. There, that's better. Okay, so as most of you know, I was evacuated out of Fort McMurray from the hospital, so I didn't get to grab any makeup except for I did have that. But I didn't have these, so I couldn't live without my mascara. So silly me, I went and bought some cheapo stuff. It sucks, but I'm kind of glad I did because I get to use it now to demo this kind of fun little trick. So I'm going to put, holy, it's just like globby, this cheapo stuff on first. Okay. It's not that horrible, hey, but just wait. Okay, and then I am going to put the gel. I was playing with my pigments today, and then I got a new eyeliner. It's silver. I don't know what it's called. Where'd it go? It is called, that's not it. Here it is. It is called Polished. It's kind of fun, hey? Anyway, I probably let that dry now, so I'll do it again. Okay. Alright. Now, like always, fibers. Then it gets fun. Alright, now for the fun part. So normally we put the gel on, but now we're going to now we're gonna put the gel on. And I'm gonna do 2 layers because it's fun. Like, holy fake lash look. Here we come without the fake lashes. Like, already look at that difference. Nice, okay. So let's do it again. Oh, no, just wait. And then you do this again. Not on high. Voila. Holy cow, hey? Let's do it again. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of gel on my lower lash now. Okay. Fiber. Don't worry if it'll fall off. You can just kind of brush them off with a Q-tip if you want. Okay. Wowza. Okay, and then the gel. So Unique has an eyelash brush that is metal and awesome. I don't have it with me here, but if you get little clumps, like see right here, I got a little bit. It's perfect, but that's okay. I'm super stoked about this. Whoops. Okay. Final step. goodness. Oh. Wipe that off. There we go. See a difference? This might be my new favorite way to put on mascara. See you later, ladies.